Everyone, look at Gromit and say cheese. Cheese. We'll go somewhere where there's cheese.
Hi, I'm your nifty hot-chopping robot. Call me Robot.
"60 seconds to blast off." No crackers, Gromit. We forgot the cracker. Oh no, Gromit. Oh no. For breakfast this morning, Gromit. Porridge today, lad. Tuesday.
I think that's Feathers McGraw.
Don't be ridiculous. He's banged up in the zoo. That's just an innocent noob.
Hey, look out. Where'd you get that from? That's my machine. I've got 2020. It's all downhill from here, man.
Come to my lovely mommy.
I've got a problem with hands. Oh no, Gromit.
No more recharge time. Recharge nearly 1%.
What's this? Get me down! Help! Get me down, machine suit! Oh, that's quite enough. Don't be hearing good news to listen to about me. Your EV6000, man. Capable of over 125 RPM. That's rocket time.
And you have a spotted rabbit bottom.
Hang in there, Gromit. Everything's under control. Ah, good boy, Gromit, man. Well done. Well, that went as well as could be expected, Gromit, didn't it? Well done, child. Oh, that was good.